that. So that is also a very good operations that we can do. So see the way I merge the files together. You can either use this way or probably you can use it from a Power Query as well. So there's a formula and there is a way of using it with a Power Query as well. Okay. So how we can do that with a Power Query? Let's open that. Let's go to the Power Query editor. And let's follow the steps that we have. So if you see over here, how they are combining, they are basically taking the statistics and they are combining the data together. So that is, they are merging the files together. How they are doing that? Let's go to that Power Query. Here, they are taking this table. I can click on combine files. The merge. And from here, I can take this. Sorry, 2019. It will do a join. Now, how you want to do a join over here? Like, basically, when we are merging it, so merge is a kind of different situation. Now, when we were doing a union was like we were appending one under the other. But when we are merging the data together, that means we are merging it on the basis of your common column or whatever the data we have in a column, which is common in both the tables. Based on that, I'm merging. So how can I do that in that sense? So basically, that's a point of join that we apply. So how we do it is we use a join and I'll just take as an inner join, let's say. So I guess this is the matching columns in both the tables. I'll do the inner join. I'll click on OK. Now, if you close and apply, it will take some time to do the changes. So let's see how it works with the changes. So here I merged the data together. So merging the data is not going to append the data one under the other, but basically will show you the data across of it. And this is how you can see for the merging of the data together. Okay, so they are running the query and they are establishing a connection between that. So here in a Power Query, you can run this, you can have inner joins, outer joins. So you can have performing these joins and all of that stuff. You can do that. So that is more feasible. Now, obviously, there's a difference between having a join like that way and there's a difference between merging a data together. So both are pretty different. So yes, you can just use that as a way to see. My query has been merged together. So this is one of my query that is there. Now, if I just go to my report data and I'll just check for the table, that's a merge query that I have. So see, from here, I can just simply do an apply changes and I can see what's the query. Now, this is one of a merge data which I've done. Now, here I can write the queries that my tables are merged. I can write my query and over here, I can work on that. So similarly, if you see along the PPT, they have merged on the basis of that. They have just columns, for examples, and condition columns. These have been expanded. And you can just shape the columns and everything. See, they have also merged the columns on the basis of this common column. And the merge has been done. Similarly, for my case also, I have merged my data and my data has been imported and I can see those fresh data. Now from here, I can write any query, I can write any data preview, I can do whatever I want from here. Whatever data I want to write for, if I want to write a query, if I want to write anything, any data, I want to add a new column, I can probably do that. So that's a difference between merging and making the query change. Okay.